are at a dentistry convention in Sydney. Why? Well, we're about to find out. We have Dr. Rabbit here, and kids, I'm not going to lie to you, it's a guy in a suit. He's going to tell us a lot today about dental hygiene, right, Jade?
That's right, Ryan. We want to find out why the kiddies of Australia aren't brushing properly.
Bright smiles, bright futures. That is the motto around here.
That's right, that's right.
But, oh, look at that. Look at that kid's teeth over there. What? Exactly.
Yeah, well, we better move on, so we're going to find out and learn and maybe encourage you cheezoids to brush a little smarter today. So
that's right.
Let's go find out. Good work, Dr. Rabbit.
Thanks, Doc.